GenStone products are super easy to use. It's incredible how easy they cut, and the paint they give you to match it up is amazing.
We're very happy with this stone. It came out really nice, looks realistic.
Glue and screw application worked perfect even on an uneven surface like the stucco. We're real happy with how it turned out and would highly recommend it.
Cut installation time down to a weekend compared to a week's worth of work with real stone.
Installed all this by myself, and I'm not a framing expert or a carpenter, and this is how it turned out.